We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Well, there seems to be a slight break in the commentary there. There's, as you just said, 2 minutes to go until Juno takes off. It's been
launch sequencer start.
It's been delayed for quite a bit. It was due to take off about an hour ago or so.
Securing Centaur LH2. Securing Centaur LO2.
And the window of opportunity to launch it is running out.
Launch enabled.
It takes 5 years, however, to reach Jupiter. It gets there in 2016, and when it does get there,
T-minus 25
the plan is for it to go into 30 polar orbits of the biggest planet in our solar system
is armed.
And to try to figure out how much water there is on Jupiter.
120. Orca's armed.
FCS count started.
115.
Reduce ECS for launch.
It's powered by 3 huge solar panels and will be the furthest any solar-powered craft has ever traveled. Previous Jupiter probes have relied on nuclear energy to get there.
T-minus 1 minute and counting.
So it's 1 minute to go.
$49.
T-minus 45 seconds.
Stable at step 3.
T-minus 30 seconds.
25.
ECS ready for launch.
Roger. Status check.
Go Atlas. Go Centaur. 20.
T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V with Juno on a trek to Jupiter, a planetary piece of the puzzle on the beginning of our solar system.
Our roll program is in progress. Vehicle body rates look good. Booster PU has gone to fixed atmosphere confirmed. SRB chamber pressures have plateaued. I'm rolling off. Signatures look good. RD-180 operation looks excellent at this point in the flight. Mach 1. SRB chambers continue to roll off. Max Q. Boosters throttling up. We're on schedule. Engine response looks good. Booster P has gone to closed loop control. Looking for our SRB throttle down momentarily. Engine continues to operate well. And booster has throttled back. Looking for SRB burnout soon. Chamber pressures have plateaued on the SRBs. And we're beginning to roll off. And BOTA has been satisfied. Vehicle is throttling back up to full thrust. And we have solids 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 jettison. Visual indication that all solids have separated well. And the booster has begun its roll for spacecraft thermal constraints.
Well, there it goes. The Atlas V rocket taking Juno on the first leg of its 5-year journey to Jupiter. It will spend a year orbiting the planet. It's solar powered, as I said a moment ago. And the point of the mission is to find out, among other things, how much water there might be on Jupiter.
69 miles, velocity 5,400.
And just some breaking news within the past couple of minutes back here on planet Earth. Surrey police are saying that part of the M25 is likely to be closed for at least 7 hours following an accident involving a lorry at the start of this evening's rush hour. It's under